What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have for you another tutorial using the Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star. It is a beautiful colorful palette, and I did do an everyday look with it already, which should already be posted. If so, I will link it up there for you. But look at all these pinks. I haven't dove into the pinks fully yet. I have not put this down because I'm super impressed with the formula. I love it so far, and I just keep on picking it up because I just like it that much. So today I'm gonna dive into the pink. So if you'd like to see what this pink lady comes up with, then please keep watching. Alright guys, this is the finished look with the lashes and everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with a very nude lip, Boldly Bare by MAC and White Russian by Buxom, and then I'll be back. Alright, this is the final look. I'm praying that these clips are getting recorded because I left my big memory card at my mom's house where I'm house sitting. And so I'm going to zoom out, hoping that you get to see the whole shebang. Strike a pose. Oh, I love the pinks, you guys. You know I do. And the next time I use this palette, I need to choose some of the other colors. But I wanted to do the pinks today. So thank you for hanging out with me. I have a date with Walmart and grocery shopping, so I'm going to get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.